Let's imagine that you want to search for words Leonardo da Vinci. Regular search will find each mention of any of those three words. However, some of them might not be related to what you are looking for. For example, you see that city with the name Vinci was also found, as well as an actor with the same name. Yet those hits have nothing to do with Leonardo da Vinci, except to share some common words. In order to resolve such situations, MediaINFO implements proximity search by default. What proximity feature does is to limit search results only to those where search words are not separated by more than a specific number of words. You can also request exact phrase search, which will only display exact results. Even search through numeric range is possible. Using the stemming option will find all the hits having the same word root. The traditional Boolean operators and, or, and not are also supported. If you are unsure of the spelling, you can use fuzzy search by simply adding the tilde sign at the end of an uncertain word. Searching through videos will enable users to jump to exact moments of spoken words.
Obraz Leonarda da Vinci Dama z gronostajem jest jednym z najcenniejszych krajowych muzeów.
MediaINFO, the digital library.